People of YouTube, what is going on? Yeah, let's just get into this. I hope the audio is good. I'm running off to the bank here really quick, and I'll explain to you guys what is going on. What's gone on in the past. What happened yesterday. Very windy out here today. Very windy. Ground's so wet right now. It's extremely foggy out. But I gotta get a video out there for you guys, so I'm risking my life for you guys. So, yesterday, I went out for a ride. It was beautiful out yesterday. Absolutely gorgeous. So, I went out for a ride. Actually, came to the bank, and I wound up going to another bank because the ATM was broken. So that's besides the point. That's not what today's about. So, I wound up going all the way to a different bank. Same bank I go to, but a different location. And I get into the parking lot, and I shut my bike off. I come back, and I got to jump my bike again. As you guys know, my issue with that, with it not running. If anyone knows a solution for that, please let me know, because I'm going to try something. And I don't want to really do it, spend that time doing it if it's not going to work. But I wound up going to the bank, had to come back home, and on my way back home, I wound up needing to jump it. I left the bank after I got it running, and I stopped off at 7-Eleven to get tinfoil for my mother. Yes, I was running errands. And as I'm pulling into the parking lot, I'm like, I can't shut this off because if I shut it off, it's not going to start again. So, for some reason, my bike has a difficult time finding neutral. Like, it will go into neutral, but the light won't come on and won't let me know it's in neutral. So if I put my kickstand down at all and the light's not on, it just shuts off as a normal safety thing. So I put my kickstand down, it won't find neutral, and my bike shuts off. So then I go into 7-Eleven, come back out, try to start it. I'm stuck there for about an hour trying to get it started. My father comes to bring me a jump box because I wound up killing my jump box that I carry on me. Wound up going dead. He brought me a jump box, helped me jump, start it. Didn't work. So then he went home to go grab the trailer because I was gonna put it on the trailer to tow me home. But he wound up coming back with a third jump box that I used, and that jumped me right away. And I guess the battery in that one was it was charged more, so it jumped me right away. I was able to give it enough power to be able to start. But a full hour of sitting in the parking lot trying to get this thing started, and it just would not start. It honestly really pissed me off. And on top of that, I've been having issues with my microphone. If anyone knows about how GoPros, you need to hook up the microphone, you need a separate piece and all that stuff with the micro USB to the 3.5 millimeter headset jack. Well, the whole time as I'm recording, my microphone, that little adapter is like, it's broken. I'm going to say it now, it's broken. So right now to record all this audio, I don't know if you're going to hear the bike, I don't know if you're going to hear wind noise, I don't know what it's going to be like. I don't know if it's going to be good audio at all. I'm using the Memo app on my iPhone to record through my JayRider headset. So hopefully it's good. I have no idea. But that was my journey of yesterday. And I'm so upset because it was such a beautiful day out. I got such good video, and my microphone has to be bad. If my microphone wasn't bad, I would have been fine with the whole ordeal. But the fact that my microphone was really shitty during that whole situation really pissed me off. But I had some pretty pretty good videos yesterday. I was so upset. It was a nice long ride. It was good. Oh, fuck you. I don't get the green arrow. This is gonna take absolutely forever now. Oh my god. If I have the opportunity, I'm going straight. Found the opportunity to go straight. I just want to let you guys know that tomorrow is supposed to be a very shitty day out. And this week, either Wednesday or Thursday, I'm leaving to go to Connecticut. So I may do a recording on my way to the gym later on tonight, just to have something to throw up all over my channel while I'm away. But if not, I apologize. Tomorrow's supposed to be shitty, so if I leave Wednesday, I'm not going to get anything for tomorrow, and you guys are going to be left dry. I apologize for that. But if it's nice Wednesday and I leave Thursday, then we're golden. So, just want everyone to know what's going on. I was so extremely upset about yesterday, though. I was so upset. My one buddy, Justin, I don't know if he's going to be watching this, but I told him I was going to put the video up. I might do some clips, because I did take my GoPro off my helmet to record me being stuck. But he makes fun of me. He's like, JayRider, what's going on? Every time he sees me. But, oh, him and my father, my dad's name is Glenn. So he was like, this is JayRider Rescue going to pick up JayRider. He did a whole Snapchat thing. I wish he saved it. I wish my audio was good, because then it would have been all up in the video. It would have been funny. It would have been good times. But I'm actually about to pass my friend Jose's house. I don't know if you guys saw that in the last video. I just thought I had to clarify it and say it, just because people might get offended or whatever. But I don't know if you guys remember in the last video when I said to the kid when I pulled into the gym, what kind of Mexican are you? That's actually my buddy Jose. He's not even Mexican. He's Spanish. Honduran. Is he home? He's not even home. Oh my god, he's not even home. Unless his dad took his car to work, who knows? I'll give him a little rev or some shit. This is going to be difficult to edit. I just thought about that. Oh my god. Well, now's the time to practice. Because that GoPro attachment for the microphone is like 20 bucks. And I do not want to spend 20 bucks on a stupid thing. It's really honestly retarded. This road's nice and dry. That's nice to see. That guy just made it soaking wet now. Just jumped his coffee all over the place. Or whatever the fuck he's got there. Oh, I don't like that turn right there, because the whole thing is just wet. Look at all the geese! The winter's coming soon. The shittier weather is coming soon. Motovlogging will be coming to an end. I live in New York, so it's way north. So, yeah. I mean, it's pretty nuts. It's like 60 degrees out right now, and I'm in frickin' December. What? What? I can't believe it. I can't believe how warm it is outside right now. And it's December. Yesterday, too. Yesterday was like mid-50s to like high 50s. It was right around there. It's ridiculous. Absolutely ridiculous. My uncle, we had my mom's birthday party yesterday, so a lot of family came over. My uncle's a funny guy. And he was like, I went to a Christmas party the other day, walked in the backyard, and took my jacket off. In December! Well, it's like 2 seconds for me to get to home from here. So, I hope you guys are enjoying the videos, you enjoy the channel, all my content that I create, and I spend a lot of effort in doing. Not to make you guys feel guilty if you don't like it. But please leave a comment, thumbs up, like the video, subscribe if you haven't already. I know I got a lot more views on videos than I do subscribers, so if you're viewing it, just hit the subscribe button. It's a lot easier. Get emails and stuff whenever I put out a new video. Alright, well that's it for me today, guys, or for right now. If I do record anything as I'm going to the gym, obviously you'll get something up there. But that's it for me. Hope you guys enjoyed. Like I said already, thumbs up, comment, subscribe, do all that good fun stuff. Buy yourself a t-shirt. They're out on my website. Link is in the description, as everything else. And as always, guys, stay beautiful. Peace.